So today I want to share some quick tips for just using spinners inside Max. So let's say I'm going to chamfer this box. Now, the chamfer setting default is quite coarse, so obviously I can change it by spinning down. Now what you might not know is if I hold down Alt and dial the spinner, and I'll get a fine control of the values. Whereas if I hold down Control, I'll get a very coarse control, so I can rapidly spin up, get some big values. But without, I can hold down and just do very small values, and I get much better control than I would do without holding down one of these modifiers. Now the other thing you'll notice is that because my unit setup is in meters, the small values I'm changing aren't being displayed in the spinner. And this is because by default Max rounds to 3 decimal places, but I can change this. I go to Customize, Preferences, I can set the number of decimal places in the General tab. So let's change this to say 6. Okay, that. So this doesn't get refreshed immediately, but you'll see now when I spin up, I get some very small values inside here, so I can see what I'm doing. Now, you know that you can type in values here, so set that to, what's that, 0.5 millimeter, I think? Yes. What you also may not know is that if I go into here and I press Control N, I get this neat little expression evaluator, so I can actually do little calculations in here. So let's do 0.005 times 2. And then I can paste that result back into the spinner box and I'll get a value. And that's quite useful in certain mathematical situations. So there you go. Hold down Alt for fine control, hold down Control for coarse control, Control N will give you a calculator, and you can customize the number of decimal places in the preferences in the General tab just here. There you go. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, that's great. Otherwise, yeah, cool. See you soon.